Welcome to Ebuzor's Corner TV. Food, health, and family. Smile, cook, move, and be inspired. Ebuzor's Corner TV.
Hello and welcome back to Ebuzor's Corner TV. We appreciate your support and promise to get better and better according to your feedback. So please continue to send in your comment and direct feedback. Today on Ebuzor's Corner TV, we are making a simple, tasty, and filling meal. Bulgur wheat cooked with coconut and corned beef. This is one of those meals that is easy to prepare, full of flavor, and perfect for lunch or dinner. To make the cooking faster, I always start by soaking the bulgur wheat for a little while before cooking. Bulgur wheat is already partly cooked during processing, so soaking it helps it soften quickly and reduces the time it spends on the stove. After soaking, I rinse it gently and set it aside. Now in a pot or saucepan, I add a little vegetable oil. Once the oil is warm, I add my chopped onions and allow them to fry until they release that sweet aroma. Then I add fresh pepper for a little heat and flavor. At this point, I add the corned beef and fry everything together nicely. The corned beef breaks down into the onions and pepper, creating a rich, savory base for the bulgur wheat. Next, I season it lightly with salt to taste and my preferred seasoning. Because corned beef can already contain salt, it is always better to add salt carefully. Taste as you go, and avoid making the food too salty. After the corned beef has fried well with the onions and pepper, I add the soaked bulgur wheat into the pot. Then I add my coconut milk or coconut flavor and allow everything to cook together. The coconut gives the meal a lovely creamy taste and a mild sweetness that balances perfectly with the savory corned beef. I stir everything gently so the bulgur wheat can absorb all the flavor from the coconut, corned beef, onions, pepper, and seasoning. Then I cover the pot and allow it to cook on low to medium heat until the bulgur wheat becomes soft, fluffy, and well combined. And there we have it, a delicious plate of coconut bulgur wheat with corned beef. It is simple, colorful, satisfying, and very easy to enjoy. One good thing about this meal is that bulgur wheat is a good source of fiber, which can help keep you fuller for longer and support better digestion. It is also lighter than many heavy meals, making it a nice option when you want something filling, but not too heavy. The corned beef adds protein and savory flavor, while the coconut brings richness and energy to the dish. The onions and pepper also add natural flavor, aroma, and a little freshness. However, because corned beef is a processed meat and can be high in salt, it is best to enjoy this meal in moderation and balance it with vegetables if possible. You can serve it with steamed vegetables, cucumber, salad, or any greens of your choice to make the plate even more nutritious. So, my people, this is a quick and tasty meal idea you can try at home. Coconut bulgur wheat with corned beef, soft, flavorful, and satisfying. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Ebuzor's Corner TV for more simple and delicious homemade meals.
Welcome to Ebuzor's Corner TV. Food, health, and family. Smile, cook, move, and be inspired. Ebuzor's Corner.